Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the storage section, then go to the SD card. Okay, could be files by Google. Then tap on three dots here, select go here, then go to the storage settings and select format. Then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.